So Prime Minister Modi launched a new digital payments app called BHIM. It's super easy to use, simple to set up and very convenient for digital transactions. This is one from Symple Reviews, and here is everything you need to know about the new BHIM app. First thing to note is that BHIM is not a mobile wallet like Paytm. In a mobile wallet, you first need to store money, and this money can only be sent to someone who has the same wallet. So if I have Paytm, I can only send money to someone who has Paytm. I can't send it to anyone else. On the other hand, BHIM is based on unified payments interface, so it's directly linked to your bank account. This means you need not store money on a separate wallet or anything like that. It also means that you can directly send money from your bank account to anyone who has a bank account, regardless of he or she having the BHIM app. As long as one has a bank account, you can send them money. To get started with the BHIM app, first download the app from Play Store. The app currently is only available for Android, so iOS users have to wait a while longer. After downloading the app, open it. The first page asks you to set the language. You can choose between the two options of English and Hindi. You can change the preference of the language later in the app. Next, you get the welcome screen, which briefly mentions all the features of this app. The app requests access to your phone to verify your mobile number and to verify your phone with UPI. The app then sends a message to verify if your phone number is registered with your bank account. Once your phone is registered, you need to create a security code to secure the app. Then you have to choose your bank. So in order for the app to work, you have to register your mobile number with your bank account. Also, if you've already activated UPI with your bank account, your account number will automatically sync with the app. And if everything is in order, you should see the home screen next. But if you have not activated UPI, you need to put in the last 6 digits of your debit card and its expiry date, and then you can create your UPI PIN. So coming back to the home screen, it's pretty plain and simple. There's nothing much to it. On the top right corner, there's a bell icon which shows you any notifications if you get any. Right beside it, there is the settings tab where you have options to change language, generate a QR code where you can enter the amount of money you wish to receive and send it to anyone who has the BHIM app. They can scan the QR code and send you money. You have an option for FAQs, which is very useful. I would suggest going through it before using the app. There's also an About Us option, and below that, an option to log out. Below that, right in the middle, you can see 3 options: to send money, to request money, and to scan the QR code and pay money. We'll get back to the payment part later. Below, we have 3 options: transactions, profile, and bank account. In transactions, we see all the list of transactions, both which were successful and which failed. There's also a profile where we can set our UPI ID. You can set a custom UPI ID with your name. The default UPI ID is set with your phone number. So anyone sending you money can either use your phone number or your UPI address. There's also a QR code on the top which you can send anyone, which lets them directly send you money. And the last one is bank account. Here you can reset and change your UPI PIN by entering your debit card details. You also have another option at the bottom to request balance from your bank account. To send money or to make payments, click on Send. So the best part of this app is that you can send money to anyone regardless of them having the BHIM app or not. Although it is easier and quicker to send money if someone has enabled UPI to their accounts than someone who hasn't. So to send money, you can either enter their mobile number or their custom UPI ID, then enter the amount which you would like to send. You can also add remarks if you like. Then at the bottom, click Pay to complete the transaction. And that's it. Quite simple. But if the person you need to send money to does not have UPI enabled to his account, you have the option to send money via IFSC. For that, click on the Settings tab on the top right corner. Then click on Account plus IFSC. Here you need to enter the beneficiary's name, their account number and their bank's IFSC code. Then click Send. Now you can make the payment by entering the amount. You can also request money from someone. Again, same way, you need to enter either their mobile number or their UPI ID. Or you can also generate a QR code and send it to anyone you like, requesting them money. The third option here is to scan the QR code and pay. So suppose I receive a QR code, I can scan it here and pay them directly. I feel the launch of this app is a great initiative by the government, who have been quite vocal on their stance to go digital. The app is very easy to use, and with time, it will revolutionize digital payments. I think the best part of the app is that it's based on UPI, so it's directly linked to your bank account. Though it still has a long way to go mainstream, commercial usage of it is still seems a little limited right now. I hope it will pick up soon. That said, the app is still a little raw. It's not yet ready for everyday usage. The app doesn't work quite a few times. It gives some sort of an error, and about half the times I try to send money, it fails. And a few people I know are experiencing issues with the app as well, with the app lagging at times and not working very smoothly. Also, the app only lets you link one bank account at a time, so if you have multiple bank accounts, you will have to switch between your accounts. To do so, you have to go to bank accounts on the home screen, go to the options icon on the top right and click change account. So say you have two accounts, one in ICICI and one in SBI, and you wish to receive money in the ICICI account, make sure that you have set up and logged in with your ICICI account. If you have set up SBI as your default account, then the money will be credited into your SBI account. Also, the QR code feature doesn't make much sense. If someone were to send me their QR code on, say, WhatsApp or email, how would I scan it? I would physically need the QR code in front of me to scan it. So I didn't really find that very useful. The app might not be really great at the moment. It does have its flaws, but the idea behind it is really big. Right now, the app might be in its beta testing stage. That's probably why it's only released on Android as of now. So once the app is foolproof, I'm sure it's going to be really helpful in making payments, in sending money to one another, and helping India go digital. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. You can tweet me your questions at Symple Reviews or even leave a comment below. Subscribe to Symple Reviews for more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys next time.